We are selling no end of these cars at the moment, buying unbelievable four-wheel drives daily. This is a beautiful Range Rover Sport. It's a 2021 registration, covered just 5,000 miles. It's an HSE Silver Edition with a sliding pan roof. And we all know, if you're watching our videos, the HSE Silvers are a slightly facelifted car with a new 3-litre diesel engine that they're putting in the newer Land Rovers with excellent specification. Sliding roof, heated steering wheel, refrigerator, plus all the normal Range Rover technology and bits and bobs you get, just to create an ultimate four-wheel drive experience. Hakuba Silver is the colour. It's the newest Land Rover silver colour. It's an excellent colour for the car for me. And then the Silver Edition gives it lovely anthracite styling throughout on the badges, the grille, into the wings, into the bonnet. It's a stunning car. We've got the dynamic lights front and rear with the dynamic indicators. They're the dancing lights. And it absolutely unbelievable technology. Front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera. Then the wheels, 21-inch dynamic wheels, gloss black with the polished edges, lovely design. Silver Edition styling, so we've got the gloss black bonnet inserts with the anthracite styling, same as into the wing, gloss black mirrors and black roof. Fixed side steps, and then with the Silver Edition you get this lovely surround on the door handles, again in anthracite, privacy glass. This car is in new condition. It's under Land Rover warranty until 2024 with Land Rover breakdown assistance. The back end of this car also looks great. The anthracite badging, the black boot finisher, and then we've got the silver section at the bottom just matching in with the car. That's excellent. Usually that's grey down there. I think that looks lovely. Assisted tailgate, lots of boot space. We've got air suspension, switchable in the back of the car. Then look at this. Deployable factory tow bar, you know, very, very hard to put on as a retrofit on the car, a tow bar on a Range Rover. This has got the electric tow bar, which comes out nice and neatly and folds away nice and neatly electrically. It's a big feature, along with the sliding roof, big features. Dynamic rear lights with sweeping indicators to the rear as well. And then inside, ebony leather, heated in the back, heated in the front, with the Meridian sound system. The panoramic sunroof that slides, that's a big feature, guys, okay? That's going to sell this car over and above another one. Then into the door, Meridian sound system, electric memory seat, it's full electric seat. The Silver Edition comes with a refrigerator, it comes with heated steering wheel, in a new condition, this car. So if you're looking at buying this vehicle from afar, watching my video, you can call me on the number on the screen. My name's Richard, I'd love to help you. I'm accurately describing this car as I'm walking around. There's no stone chips, there's no dents, there's no marks on the wheels. It's beautiful with 5,000 miles on. The Silver Edition now has the smaller dynamic steering wheel. You can see it's got a stainless steel section all the way around. Again, condition of that, the seat, everything is stunning. Jumping into the car, standard Range Rover, things as you'd expect, great driving position. We've got the armrest just for that ultimate luxury feel. Heated steering wheel, lane departure, cruise control on the right, and then your Bluetooth and stereo controls on the left, all finger operated easily. We'll talk about the sunroof first. That tilts and slides back. We've also got a blind for your convenience if you want to shut the sunlight off. It's a big feature. I'm going to mention it again. Come inside, pop in the car into reverse. You'll see we've got the reversing camera. We've got switchable climate down here, and we've got your heated seat selections. We've got vehicle terrain and driving mode settings down here, heated front and rear screens. And then under the armrest, another big feature of these cars, we've got the refrigerator. Whether you're going to put drinks in there or your lunch, whatever, it's a great feature. Touchscreen infotainment system to the middle with navigation, Bluetooth, Android and Apple CarPlay, important features when you're in the car a lot and you want to sync your phone up. It's all seamless. And then the digital interface behind the steering wheel, which is also lovely. You can switch that, but I also always like to have the full map display on there, as you can see. That's great. 5,370 miles on the clock. It doesn't get much better. And it's a wonderful price, this car, it really is. If you're looking to buy one, the main features to my car over anything else for sale, one, it's the condition, and then two, it's the spec. The HSE silver spec with a sliding roof, with a tow bar. This car won't last long. Call me on number on the screen. My name's Richard, I'd love to speak to you. Thanks for watching.